This is skinless breast chicken.
Turmeric.
So this is Persian cinnamon, and my mother has brought it from Iran. You just put the onion here, the flavor, yeah.
And that's basmati rice, right?
Basmati rice, yeah. Olive oil. It's called Tah-Chin, and mostly we cook this for our guests. So it has chicken.
A layering of rice that's been flavored or infused with turmeric, and then the barberries. And the barberries taste something like cranberries. They've got a kind of a tartness to them. But
Rose water a bit to the rice.
and I really have taken note of Mohsen's rose water trick, because that also adds just a subtle sweetness and sort of fragrance.
We have this WhatsApp group, so my mother showed me that they had cooked Tah-Chin. I said, oh, I want Tah-Chin. So we had a video call, and she talked to me through everything, every step. Do this, do that, do this. No, 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 not that.
I've never got it quite right yet, so I'm hoping that we'll see today, and then I can go home and replicate it.
Let's mix the eggs. Add 4 tablespoons of yogurt to the mix. Add a bit of saffron here. That's it. When you want to cook a different food from a different culture, you go and see what are the roots of that food, what are the cultures of the people from that country.
It's the connecting element, because we all need to eat, but the way we cook is so varied, and we all use the same basic things: meats, chickens, legumes, vegetables, fruits, but the results are so different.
Yeah. So we are going to mix the mixture with the rice cooker. So I'll add a bit of olive oil and pressed. So this is the first layer of rice. So we're going to add chicken as the second layer to the mix, barberries for the third layer, and the rest of rice. So it feels so good when you learn and teach your culture as well. Like, people know Iran more, know your culture more, because when they taste the food, they want to know more. You know, where did this come from? What is this ingredient? Oh, what is your country?
And I think you meet each other's humanity through food, and I think that's the thing that's most important to me.
Let's see if it's ready.
Oh, that sound. Barberies. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Good?
The food is really, really good, so just by itself, that's a bonus. But when someone you care about, it's even better. So, cheers. Thank you, Mohsen. This was amazing.
Welcome.